Cats see 6 times more colors than humans, making their world a vibrant tapestry of sensations. Imagine being able to perceive the world through a kaleidoscope of colors. For cats, every object, every texture, and every movement is a symphony of sensory input. Their eyes contain a reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum, which helps them see in low-light conditions. But what's even more fascinating is that their color vision is shifted towards the blue and violet end of the spectrum. This means they can see ultraviolet light, which is invisible to humans, making their world a more nuanced and complex place. But that's not the strangest part. They also have a special type of cone cell that allows them to see polarized light. This means they can detect the orientation of light waves, which helps them navigate and hunt in their environment. But wait until you hear what comes next. Scientists have discovered that cats can even see in near-infrared light. This ability allows them to detect heat signatures, which is incredibly useful for hunting small prey. It's like they have a built-in thermal imaging camera, giving them a unique advantage in the wild. But how does this impact their behavior? Well, it turns out that cats are naturally crepuscular, meaning they're most active at twilight and dawn. This is likely due to their ability to see in low-light conditions, which allows them to hunt and navigate more effectively. And then something unexpected happened. Researchers discovered that cats can even see in color in complete darkness. This is made possible by the combination of their reflective layer and their special type of cone cell. It's like they have a built-in night vision goggles, giving them a huge advantage in the dark. But what about dogs? Do they see the world in the same way as cats? Actually, dogs have a different type of color vision, one that's more suited to their environment. They have dichromatic vision, meaning they see the world in shades of yellow and blue. This is likely due to their evolution as scavengers and hunters, where they needed to focus on movement and contrast rather than color. But that's not the strangest part. Scientists have discovered that dogs can even see in low-light conditions, but not as well as cats. This means they rely more heavily on their sense of smell and hearing to navigate and hunt. It's like they have a built-in superpower, allowing them to detect subtle changes in their environment. But how does this impact their behavior? Well, it turns out that dogs are naturally social animals, meaning they thrive on interaction and attention. This is likely due to their evolution as pack animals, where they needed to work together to hunt and survive. And then something unexpected happened. Researchers discovered that dogs can even recognize themselves in mirrors. This is a sign of self-awareness, which is a rare ability in the animal kingdom. It's like they have a built-in sense of identity, allowing them to recognize themselves and interact with others in a more complex way. But what about humans? Do we see the world in the same way as cats and dogs? Actually, humans have a unique type of color vision, one that's more suited to our environment. We have trichromatic vision, meaning we see the world in shades of red, green, and blue. This is likely due to our evolution as primates, where we needed to focus on color and texture to navigate and hunt. But that's not the strangest part. Scientists have discovered that humans can even see in low-light conditions, but not as well as cats. This means we rely more heavily on our sense of hearing and smell to navigate and interact with others. It's like we have a built-in superpower, allowing us to detect subtle changes in our environment. But how does this impact our behavior? Well, it turns out that humans are naturally curious creatures, meaning we're driven to learn and explore. This is likely due to our evolution as social animals, where we needed to adapt and innovate to survive. And then something unexpected happened. Researchers discovered that humans can even recognize themselves in mirrors. This is a sign of self-awareness, which is a rare ability in the animal kingdom. It's like we have a built-in sense of identity, allowing us to recognize ourselves and interact with others in a more complex way. But what's the bigger picture here? Well, it turns out that our perception of the world is shaped by our biology and environment.
This means that every species, from cats to dogs to humans, sees the world in a unique and fascinating way.
It's like we're all living in different realities, each with its own set of rules and constraints. But what can we learn from this? Well, it turns out that by understanding how different species perceive the world, we can gain insights into their behavior and biology. This can help us develop new technologies, products, and services that are tailored to their needs and preferences. It's like we're all connected, each species playing its own unique role in the grand symphony of life. And then something unexpected happened. Researchers discovered that our perception of the world is not fixed, but can be changed by experience and learning. This means that we can adapt and evolve, just like other species, to navigate and interact with our environment in new and exciting ways. It's like we have a built-in superpower, allowing us to rewrite our own reality and create new possibilities. But what's the next step? Well, it turns out that by embracing our unique perception of the world, we can unlock new levels of creativity, innovation, and self-expression. It's like we're all artists, each with our own unique brushstrokes and color palettes, painting a masterpiece of life and experience. And that's the biggest surprise of all, that our perception of the world is not just a reflection of our biology and environment, but a powerful tool for creating and shaping our own reality. So, what do you think? Are you ready to see the world in a whole new way? Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries and join our journey of wonder and exploration. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about the way different species perceive the world. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.